Holy smokes, it's cold out here, you guys. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. I have a new Kemimoto tablet holder, and they're running a promotion with the tablet holder and a tablet. Check this out, you guys. Woo! We got it all installed. Yeah, that looks nice. Anyway, I'm going to run through the install on this tablet holder, and I'm going to show you the tablet. We're going to just do a little trail ride and show you the GPS function on that with a GPS trail mapping software that I won't name because there's no sponsorship. Anyway, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. Let's ride! We got some more goodness from, check it out. Sorry about the wiggles. We got more goodness from, yeah, there we go. Kemimoto. Check this out, you guys. Something that I've wanted to install on here for a while. I had another less expensive version, we'll just say, in here that I used for my tablet on the trip. But check it out, we're going to install the Kemimoto tablet holder, and check it out, you guys, they're running a promotion, that tablet holder and this rugged tablet. Check it out. I'm going to drop a link down below so you can go check them out, but we're going to get this thing installed and I'm going to show you how cool it is. Yeah, let's go. All right, first thing we got to do, check it out, we got to get this thing unboxed. Point of disclosure, I've already opened it. So, there is the tablet holder for Kemimoto. Compared to the last one I had, feels like it's a little bit better made. It is virtually identical, but it has a little bit better feel to it. And it's got their cool Kemimoto logo on there. Yeah, that's kind of neat. Anyway, the way this thing works, it just clips in there like that. That pushes open to release the front. And then this provides a little cubby, some protection for your gear. So, and it installs with 2 screws in the front, 2 screws in the back. There are corresponding locations in the Can Am X3 for those screws, and also provided is some screws, and this looks like it's some weather seals to seal everything up tight. So let's do it. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pull off that cover that goes there and on the dash, and I'm going to take a look at how this lines up. The last tablet mount that I had in here did not have a weather seal. So I think this is going to be beneficial because on the trip, if you remember, I'll link it up in the corner up over there. And you can check out days 1 through 7 was nothing but mud and rain and ew. So I am going to first, I've got an alcohol prep wipe I'm going to clean that plastic with. And this is just going to help make sure that everything sticks really well. With a little bit to spare. There, you get an idea of how I got that on there. I hope that's how it's supposed to go. Well, I think that'll be better than no seal at all. So, let's get the screws out. Okay, clip nice and tight. Seems good there. This rugged tablet, I've opened it. I have installed some software on there, and I also put one of the 2 included screen protectors on it. So, and I've put a charge on it. All right, you got to make sure you get the ends of this down inside of there, and then push it back, and then you can push the top piece in place to hold it, and then screw that tight, and that holds that piece in place. Boom. Now your X3 has a tablet. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to that one. I'm not going to name it. I'm not going to say that name because, you know, not sponsored. But that's what we're using. And this little button right here, we're going to start a track to where we want to go. So how about that? We got the brightness adjusted. It's easier for you guys to see. And I gotta say, that GPS, it's actually working pretty good. I was a little bit skeptic at first, but that GPS is working pretty good. And I'm glad that I have that map downloaded because I'm nowhere near any service. So I just want to point out right now, you guys, you can see that that's done a really good job of tracking me. The tablet works really well with this particular application, and I know there's all kinds of features you can get with this app that you can track everything and do everything and plot everything and do all of that. And I believe this tablet can handle that. So also, let me show you guys right here. I've got other things hooked up here, other apps downloaded. There's the Pandora app, and I can go on there, download all my music, and I can Bluetooth the tablet to my speaker, but I can't do that and not be demonetized. So it has all the apps. There's another one that I use, a Gamma car launcher. So this is one that I used on the trip, the 2,800 mile trip, and it worked out really well. So I got that set up. I've got this set up pretty much the same way, so you can use that. Everything's dialed in that way. It has 2, if I can open them, has 2 USB ports over here, a USB-A and a USB-C. Has an HDMI output on this side, and then over here it can accept a micro SD, or this is where you put the SIM card in as well. So anyway, check it out. We're going for a little trail ride. I'll let you guys keep watching that, and I'll watch the road. look at that mountain, you guys. I don't know if that color comes through on this thing or not, but that sunset, I don't know if it's going to adjust or not. Will it adjust? No, I don't think so. Anyway, you guys, that mountain, that's beautiful. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. I'm going to leave a link for this little combination down below for Kemimoto and this tablet, so go check it out. It seems to be priced pretty reasonably, and yeah, I like it. I'm happy with it, and I can't wait to use it on a longer trip. So anyway, go check it out, you guys. All right, guys, a couple of post-ride observations. So you can see, yeah, the Kemimoto tablet holder and a tablet they've got to go with it on this promotion. So that sucker is in there. And yeah, it didn't have any issues at all running that GPS software and tracking my track.